Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel guys, it means a lot. In today's video we'll be working on a BMW E46 guys, and if you have a 3 Series BMW E46 from 1998 to 2006 with a diesel engine and automatic transmission guys, and you're trying to find the fuse for the diesel engine, automatic transmission, automatic gearbox, stay with us, we'll show you guys where to find that. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this vehicle. We'll be taking it completely apart. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. So let's go ahead and start on the problem now. So let us show you guys now where you can find that fuse. You need to go ahead and open your glove box right here. Once you open the glove box, you have two white things on top of the glove box that you need to turn like that. Okay, perfect, and drop down. Now the fuse numbers guys for the top row of fuses is listed right here. The bottom row, okay, you can kind of see with black print on the bottom. Now the fuse guys that we are looking at guys for the automatic gearbox diesel engine guys will be fuse number 64. Okay, and fuse number 64 guys, okay, it should be a 5 amp fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller from here, grab it. Okay, and this is guys the fuse right there. I'll go ahead and grab a new one now. Okay, you can find guys in the description of the video below where we get that whole fuse box from for a really good price, very affordable price. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and place the new one. That's the whole procedure guys. Okay, make sure you get it all the way in. In addition, okay, everything needs to align, otherwise it's not going to go in good. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and push it down like that, and after that just go ahead, okay, and turn it like that, close it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.